Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you a fantastic product or pair of products that I found, and they are these two mascaras. I basically saw a friend post about this mascara, which was from Wilkinson's. The black one is the one that she posted about, and saying how amazing it was and it was so cheap. So I thought, oh okay, let me give it a go. So when I went, I picked it up, and then I was also shown just to the range of other mascaras that they have. So I was reading them, and this one is thebomb.com. It's like a curling and curl and volume mascara, whereas the other one is a false lash effect mascara. So honestly, the blue one is the best, but how I use it is I start with the black one, the false lash one. And sorry, I was watching Jackie Aina on my TV, so yeah, that's why I keep looking over. But yeah, so I start with the black one first, which I think if you have long lashes, because I have like the shortest lashes ever, so if you have long lashes, I think this alone would do the trick for you. But because I don't have the longest lashes, it's kind of like starting to do the job but doesn't fully do what you need it to do, if you can see what I mean. And also actually, so I've got the shortest lashes ever, but when I got my eyelashes done recently, the technician told me that I actually have really full lashes. I didn't know that, but yeah, full but not long. So I just go in with this one first. Okay, so then after I put that on, then I proceed to putting, oh, and I forgot to show you how the brush looks, so that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so after I do that, then I proceed to apply the curl and volume mascara. Now this is where the magic happens. It's crazy, and it's not even like one of them ones that, you know, leaves the microfibers or whatever you call them on your lashes. I don't use them because I always just hear that they always just fall in your eye, and mascara just does that anyway, so I'm like, nah. But yeah, so I just go in and apply this, and it just adds an insane amount of thickness to your lashes. Yeah, which is so cool. I mean, look at that, right? Look at the difference between the two eyes. It's so good. So good. It really does like lift it up and curl it, and it's just fantastic. And it's super cheap, that's the thing as well. I didn't even mention how much it is. Both of them together cost less than £5. I think they're like £2.50 each. And I'm trying to think, like, so I got it from Wilkinson's. So Wilkinson's is kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's not really a grocery store, but it's one of those shops that sells a bit of everything. So it's got like homeware, it's got like stationery, it's got like makeup and food and stuff like that. Look at that, that's crazy. Like, the lift is insane, and the thickness, I can't get over it, man. It's so good. I was literally so shocked when I tried this on when I first bought it. It's so good. And then I just keep going in really until I'm happy with it all, that it's fanned out evenly and stuff. If you don't like the kind of the spidery lashes, then you might not necessarily like this, but I like it, I'm not gonna lie. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and